Hey there, Sumolings. Harris Reynolds here to demo the NimbleAI Client. Whenever you come into the product, you'll be asked to input your API keys. I've already added an API key for OpenAI and Anthropic, so I'll get all the models that ChatGPT uses. I'll just click on this real quick to show you how to do it. Just click key, test, create that, copy that key, and then you can just paste it here and click the save button. So that's how we set it up to talk to different models with the NimbleAI client. I've already created a few chats here. One, I've asked for a delicious carne asada tacos recipe. One feature that's very powerful with NimbleAI client is the ability to compare. So this is a recipe that was generated by ChatGPT 4.0 Mini, and if I click View Comparison, I've already created a comparison of recipes from OpenAI's model and Anthropic's model. So you can look and always get the best content and the best answers to your questions by comparing outputs from different models. You can also organize your chats and your outputs from different models here with folders. I've put the recipe in a recipes folder, and then we have a bunch of prompts. I'm going to go ahead and use a prompt here. Write an engaging Twitter thread about starting a taco business in, let's say, 10 tweets. And I will just click ask. We're using the GPT 4.0 Mini model to generate this response. And click no thanks there. And so then, we'll get a great response from GPT 4.0 Mini, or the OpenAI Mini 4.0 Mini model here. And this is great. So this is NimbleAI Client. We're just scratching the surface of what this tool can do for you, but you can get awesome content and really the best content every time. And if we wanted to compare it, we could come in here and pick any of the OpenAI models or any of the Anthropic models. And of course, if we add the API key for Gemini, we could get that as well. So sign up today, purchase today. You're going to get so much more over time as we build out this tool more and more. But this is a great product, ready to add value to you today, and can't wait to help you leverage AI to really grow your business. Thank you. See ya.